Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss from question number 6 which are related to interview preparation series role PO, that is product owner. Okay, if you are looking for job change, role change for as a product owner, then this series is for you only. You can go ahead with all the question and answer which we are going to discuss in this series, in this playlist you can say, and you can grab more of the answers from my end for their question. It's my bet that none other than any other question you will get asked in your interviews for the product owner. So just be with me and take it whatever you want. And if you have any concern, just put it in the comment box so that I can cover that point as well as per your point of view. Okay, so just be with me and let's go ahead and see what will be the next question. So, question number 6, that is, are you analytical? Prove it. So yes, of course, it's always say yes. Okay, yes, I rely on data driven decisions. Everything is on data now. Okay, wherever any role or wherever any position you are going to be, then they will ask you about data because everything is playing with the data. So yes, I rely on data driven decisions. For example, by analyzing user data, I identified the underutilized features and work with the team to redesign them. The led to 20% increase in adoption and stronger engagement from the customer. Okay, so this is the product owner role related and answer. Okay, so if you want to elaborate more, then you can go ahead what exactly you have done in data driven decisions, how you can take, how you have taken that decision, on which basis, which scenario, you can discuss everything in this answer. Okay, then next question, prove you can work under the pressure with an example. Okay, during a product release under strict timelines, I prioritize the key features, negotiated scope with stakeholders, and supported the team in removing the blockers. You can say the impediments. Okay, this is the right word for it. Despite the pressure, we met the deadline with a successful launch and positive customer feedback. Okay, this is a short answer. If you want to elaborate more, you can go ahead and more focus on your prioritizing technique. You can say that is Moscow technique you can use. Okay, you can say how you prioritize the product backlog items. Okay, and negotiate the scope with the stakeholder. If they are adding any item or any feature they want to go ahead with in priority, then how you are going to how you had done with the negotiation with stakeholder or negotiation with the team. Okay, with that product backlog, and you can create that sprint backlog as per that. How can you go ahead, how you had worked with the scrum team with everything, and how you supported the team in this scenario, or how you remove the impediments, what impediments are. You can elaborate more on this if required. Okay, don't be in depth, go in depth, either they are not going to ask you. Okay, yeah. So let's go ahead and see the next question. In what work environment are you most productive? I thrive in the collaborative and agile environments where transparency, open communication, and teamwork are encouraged. Being able to exchange ideas freely and work towards the shared goals keep me motivated and proactive. Okay, this is the work environment. Collaborative and agile environments where transparency is important, communication is important, then the teamwork. Okay, these three keywords means you can say it's a four keywords: collaborative, transparency, communication, and the teamwork. Okay, you can play with these keywords, not an issue, but keywords are the important in this interviews because they are having their weightage, own weightage, right? We have to take these keywords in our answers always, okay, while going for the agile project management interviews. Okay, then next question: how do you respond to criticism? I view criticism as an opportunity to improve. I listen carefully, evaluate the feedback, and implement the changes where needed. Constructive feedback helps me refine my approach and deliver better result in a long run. Okay, you can keep this answer short, and you can keep this answer for any agile related project management interviews. Okay, because criticism is always be there, always you have to face when you are managing team. Of course, it you will face this, right? Yeah, so take it as an advantage. Okay, it's an opportunity to improve yourself and present your answer front of the interviewer. Okay, then next question: name three objectives that describe you. How would your friend describe you? You can say it's a strength in points as well. If they are asked you, then the answer will be the same. They would describe me as proactive, adaptable, and dependable. Okay, I am known for taking initiative. Okay, then the adjusting to change the priorities and delivering consistency. Okay, proactive means taking the initiative. Adaptable means adjusting the changing priorities. Okay, whenever stakeholders are asking for the um, adopt some features into that product backlog, then you have to negotiate with them, you have to talk with them, and if required, it's really necessary, you can adjust the changing priorities, and you have to take the development team in that meeting as well. Okay, if they can go ahead with this means sometimes stakeholder may think that is needed, but maybe needed as a priority. Okay, but sometime developer team can negotiate that what will go ahead with and what is really required or something. Okay, you can negotiate, you can adjust the changing the priorities in the product backlog and everything. Okay, then the dependable, delivering consistently with the development team, or you can say it's a scrum with the scrum team. That is, we are depend means product owner is dependable, right, for on the development team, right? So we are taking into the consideration, we can take care of their working pattern with the development and delivering consistency. Okay, so that's why it's a dependable term used here. Okay, then next question: why do you want this job? This role is perfectly aligned with my passion for building a customer centric product and applying the agile practices as well. It gives me as an opportunity to influence the product strategy as well and collaborate with diverse teams. Okay, here not only you are facing a scrum team, you are facing two stakeholders team as well, the delivery managers or any other scrum teams as well, many teams you can say, if you are working with the safe model, then contribute to business growth as well. Okay, got it everything? Okay, so this all about, we have discussed some questions and answer in this video. Just go through it, and if you are having any concern, you can put it in the comment. If you want to add up something, you can go ahead and add it, because these answers I have prepared from my experience with the that working teams as well and the interviewers as well. I have created and given you the main points. You can elaborate as much as you want, but don't elaborate much more. Don't spend time much on one answer. Okay, just keep it short. They want to ask, you have to proactive and probe them, right? you can utilize that 1 hour something or 2 hours interviews span. Okay, not an issue. So just be with me. If you like this video, just like this video and share with your friends as well, who are preparing for this job role, and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get the video as soon as possible when I release it. Okay, if you want to join my community forever, then you can go ahead and purchase my course, which I have put it in the description section. You will get the personalized coaching as well from that. Okay, thank you.